dark it is. I can hardly see. At night, you couldn't see a damn thing because the lights would reflect against the sand. We're talking, this has been 20 miles of this shit. I've never seen this in 30 years here, this bad. But we just visit. We're not live here full time, so I'm sure it's been bad like this before. This is pretty damn bad.
Holy moly, you can't stop. Go careful.
I just can't see.
Oh gosh, you can't see any cars ahead of you.
No, I can't, but I can see
careful.
the truck and he can see, so I'm not reading. This is the worst area of them all. Not for wind,
careful,
dust,
careful.
but darkness.
Get to the, he's got
it's where those trucks
the
go
hazard
over
lights. Oh my God. Careful.
I am careful. I'm very careful.
There's a truck, it looks like an outline of a truck. Oh, a rock just hit the car.
I'm sure there's a lot of rocks that hit this car.
This is bad. Oh, I think just hit the car.
A piece of broken tire.
Okay.
Okay, we're in Bob Hope.
Let's get off here.
No, I'm not getting off here. This is the worst area. This is all open sand.